I like to not look at it and just pretend as if, you know, I'm just going about my day, just eating pizza. So I try not to think about it, and I try to see whether my mouth is tricked.
I would say so.
Yeah, kind of, yeah. Welcome everybody. We're gonna go and eat everybody's favorite food. Vegetarian / vegan food. Whoa! You could say we're doing this for you guys so that you guys don't have to do it.
Yeah, but I'm also just interested.
I am interested. We're gonna check out some vegetarian / vegan food from different fast food chains and see if they're actually any good. Oh, hay fever. Am I gonna sneeze? I don't know. All right, so first off, we're gonna go to McDonald's and try their McVeggie Deluxe.
Ooh.
There it is, the beautiful golden arches. Hey, could I just get the McVeggie Deluxe on its own? Thank you, darling.
My shout. It's both of our money.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's try. I'm really excited to have a look. Let's open it and see what it looks like.
Well, first, can I comment on the box? It has a little carrot and peas on it. I love it.
Beautiful.
I know you don't care. Whoa.
Oh yeah, it actually looks like a pretty good burger.
And it sounds delicious. So it has like a crunchy potato and cheese patty.
Oh, yum.
That sounds really good to me.
It sounds good. It's like battered. It's like nice and crispy on the outside, and then the inside should be cheesy potato filling.
Yum. Cheese and potato go so good together.
Let's try. You can have the first bite.
Really? I was gonna say who gets the first bite. Here I go.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Oh damn! You sound like you're happy with that.
It's so refreshing. It's like nothing you ever get from McDonald's. You love it?
I quite like that. Yeah.
I really love it, and I need more. I need to like make sure I actually love it.
Cause the pickles.
Oh, I didn't get any pickle. Let me try.
It's good. It's nice and saucy.
I love that.
I like it too. I'll tell you where they went right and why it's good.
That implies that they went wrong somewhere.
No. I'm just saying, like,
okay.
I feel like a lot of places mess up their veggie burgers, and it's because they don't crumb it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if you don't crumb it and it's a vegetable patty, it's just gonna be mush.
Yeah.
So you need that crispy coating on the outside, so it's nice, you know? So then it breaks up that vegetable flavor too. It's like nice and fried, crispy flavor. Makes it less healthy, but I'm not going to McDonald's to be healthy.
Oh, no.
Nobody is.
No.
So just batter it, man.
It's so yum.
I actually think it's pretty good.
Oh, I love it. More for me. And it's got like the classic Big Mac flavor, which is delicious.
I want to try the patty by itself because when you eat it all together, you can't really taste the patty. You can't just get that kind of nice crispiness and fried flavor from the coating of it. Let's try the patty by itself.
Me too. Oh my god, it's got peas in it. And corn. Cheers. Yum.
So good. That's cheesy.
I don't think I've ever
It's
like
good.
tried something new at McDonald's that I've loved so much.
Really?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it.
I get it again.
I would definitely get it again. It stands on its own.
Yeah, it's like I can't wait till like I have a Macca's craving one day and I'm gonna get this.
Really? Over a £1/4 of Big Mac, you're gonna get this. Whoa!
It's so yum.
Do we already have a winner from you or something?
Ooh, maybe.
As for you.
Thank you so much. I was hoping you would give it to me. I love it.
Next stop is the one that I'm really excited for though. We're heading over to Hungry Jack's, or Burger King if you will, and we're going to try their Rebel Whopper, which unlike this burger, which is like, it's supposed to be a vegetable patty, the Rebel Whopper is supposed to be fake meat. I'm excited. This is the one that I'm excited for, so let's go see.
This one's all gone. I've never eaten something so quick.
You liked it that much? Unbelievable.
Yeah.
McDonald's, good job. Hey, could I get the Rebel Whopper with cheese on its own? Yeah.
Woo!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Burger?
Burger?
I'm gonna call it a burger. A vegan burger, a burger. You heard it here first.
Okay.
Anyway, once again, we didn't make it full vegan because we got cheese.
So this one isn't fully vegan as well because they grill it on the same grill as the meat patties, so you can get that kind of meaty flavor.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's what they say. And if you want the really vegan one, they actually have a vegetable patty, which we've had before. The vegetable patty though isn't like McDonald's, and it is just like that vegetable patty without the crumb or anything. It wasn't that good. We had it quite a while ago, and it was pretty bad.
Yeah, I mean it looks good. It definitely doesn't look the same kind of patty.
No, it doesn't. So in the ads, they make the meat patty look pretty meaty. Like it looks like the real meat. This one looks like a vegetable patty.
Yeah.
Like it's got quite a like an orangeness to it, like as you would expect a vegetable patty would. You know what? On camera, this is picking up. It looks pretty meaty, but believe me, guys, it's pretty vegetable patty-y.
Yeah.
We'll just take a bite. Let's just go for it, man.
You first this time.
I'm gonna close my eyes. I want another bite with my eyes closed.
I'm interested for your thoughts. See if they're the same as mine.
I like it.
Oh, okay, they're different to mine. So, I can tell that it is cooked in the juices of the meat. It has the flavour.
Like very smoky, kind of flame grilled flavour.
Yeah, but then like a lot of vegan kind of food, it has a slight cardboard taste. But it's not bad.
To me, maybe this is just how I like vegetarian food. I think it's pretty nice. I don't get a cardboard texture at all.
It's the slightest, but it's there.
I quite like it. You could fool me. If like someone just put it in my hands and like, hey, like here's your Whopper, and I just started eating it and I wasn't looking at it, I don't think I would have thought twice.
But it has a different texture.
I don't reckon the texture's that bad.
Let's show them the inside.
Like it looks kind of meaty, you know?
Yeah. It kind of looks like tuna. I think with the McDonald's burger, like, oh my god, I can't wait to get that again, but I'll never get this again.
Really? I don't mind this. I really don't.
Me. Maybe because you like Whopper to begin with. I never get Whoppers because I don't really like them. Maybe that's why.
It has like a slight meat substitute kind of flavour, but I actually quite like it.
You like the substitute flavour or just the burger in general?
The flavour. I don't mind it. Like it's vegetable-y. It's kind of like, I want to say almost mushroomy.
Mushroom?
Yeah. I can see where they're going with it. To me, I reckon that's a good burger. If I was a vegan, I would get this again. Maybe without the cheese. But I really don't think it's bad. You think it's that bad?
It has raw onion in it.
Oh, I love raw onion.
I thought it was a bit of lettuce, so I just went for it. Oh.
Let me try the patty by itself.
Oh, me too. Ready?
Yep.
It's a little bit dry. It's definitely not that bad if you're a vegetarian or vegan. It's not that bad.
I can see how they're trying to mimic the texture of meat. They're like almost there. It's not quite there. Like you can tell, but the flavor's not that great to me either by itself. Yeah, the flavor's not the best. I wouldn't even say it's meatier either.
It's pretty cool of them to do, but it's like Macca's like converted me. This one, I'm just trying it to try it.
Overall, I like it.
I don't hate this burger, but I'm never gonna eat it again.
I don't know, actually, the more I eat it, if you told me this was meat, I might believe you.
Really?
Yeah, I could believe you. For me, this will fix the kind of craving you have if you're a vegan.
I'm really interested to try our next
I am too. Because sometimes I feel like I should go vegan, you know, for the animals.
Really? I never knew that you had that thought.
Yeah, sometimes I think about it, but then I'm just like, it's not realistic for me because I know I'll cave in because I'll crave things like cheese. Anyway, we're gonna get some vegan pizza, 100% vegan. So that means vegan meat, vegan cheese. It's probably a vegan guy making it, I don't know.
Alright, let's go. I'm so excited to try a vegan pizza.
Yeah, me too. We've made it to Domino's, everybody. And sadly, this isn't a drive-through like all the other ones. So like, I've been really happy that I didn't have to get out my car. But due to COVID, they have a system where they'll bring the pizza to your car. So
same thing, pretty much.
Even better. I feel like I'm a king. All right, let's wait for the pizza.
After all this, they've said the order's done and they have not come out to the car. So Daniel's just gonna have to go in. Woohoo! He's not happy. Something wrong?
Had to get out the car. All right, guys, we got the pizza. It looks and smells like a normal Domino's pizza. The cheese is kind of melted. Let's just do it. Like I said, if this is good pizza, I'm one step closer to going vegetarian. Or vegan, sorry.
You have to get a piece with meat on
Yeah,
it.
this doesn't even have meat on it. I must try this vegan beef on its own.
Cheers.
It tastes like kind of what you expect from fake meat. It was kind of like similar flavor to the Rebel Whopper, just not as good as a Rebel Whopper. If the Rebel Whopper, if you just ate it on its own, it kind of did taste like that beef. All right, let's try the cheese.
Cheers.
I like to not look at it and just pretend as if, you know, I'm just going about my day, just eating pizza. So I try not to think about it, and I try to see whether my mouth is tricked.
I would say so.
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Because the sauce is saving it. The sauce just makes it taste exactly like a pizza. I don't specifically taste cheese or something trying to be cheese. It's a good vegan pizza.
It is good vegan pizza.
Not mad at it.
But you're right, you don't get a huge cheesy flavor, and you almost don't miss it. I'm gonna peel some of the cheese off and see what that actually tastes like by itself.
Ooh, I want to do that too. It's kind of creamy. Not like cheese, but not like cheese, you know?
I'm really trying to see if I taste the cheesiness, because like I almost feel like I get like a slight cheesiness or like even a whiff of cheese or something at the start. I'm gonna say I like it.
I'm gonna say it's more of a pizza than the Hungry Jack's burger was to a burger.
Really?
I mean, obviously it was a burger, but like it wasn't 100% tasting like the beef patty. But this 100% tastes like pizza. Because I always get a cheesy pizza. You know we love a cheese pizza.
I love a cheesy pizza.
Quattro formaggi, yum. But I'm not like missing the cheese on this. I'm not like, oh, I wish it has cheese.
The vegan cheese does have a little bit of a funk to it in a cheesy way. It's good. It's good.
Yeah. If I had to go like dairy free, this would be good.
I don't know. I'm on the fence with this one purely because I feel like when I want pizza, and I feel like if I went vegan, I would crave that cheesiness flavor. Whereas this is good because there's a mix of everything. So you kind of don't notice that the cheese is missing. So it's good. The pizza's good. But it won't satisfy me when I'm missing cheese. And I love cheese.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't taste very cheesy.
They're on the right track. They're definitely on the right track. Maybe the scientists in the labs just need to do a little bit of tweaky. You know?
Oh, what?
A little tweaky to the cheese, and then maybe one day the cheese will be pretty similar. Let's say this. Out of all the vegan substitutes today, I'm most happy with that vegan cheese. What about you? How do you feel about all three today?
Shall I rank? Guess number 1.
McDonald's,
McDonald's, guess number 2.
Domino's.
Yeah, and then Hungry Jack's.
For me, it's kind of hard to rank like Domino's and a burger because one's pizza, one's a burger. The Domino's, it's good. McDonald's, pretty damn good.
Is it your favorite today?
Oof. I would say, okay, yeah. McDonald's wins today. McDonald's wins.
You're not in the doghouse.
McDonald's wins because the Rebel Whopper, you know, you're right. If I'm going to Hungry Jack's, I'm always gonna just get a real Whopper until I go vegan one day maybe. But I can imagine with McDonald's, some days I would be like, you know what? I could go a McVeggie.
Yeah.
I feel like the McVeggie, but I would never be like, I feel like the Rebel Whopper over a normal Whopper. Yeah. So that's why McDonald's wins for me today.
Same.
And Domino's gets brownie points too. They did a good job. No, you know what? But that being said, Hungry Jack's did a good job too. Surprisingly, I was ready for Hungry Jack's to be like so bad because their quality is so bad generally. Not bad.
That's good. That's good.
I like it when everybody does well. And I don't have to talk shit about anybody.
Yeah.
So good job, everybody. You all did good today. Well done. We're off now. Bye. Thank you very much for joining us, everybody. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and then watch this video next for 25 years of good luck.